Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to publish a Roblox game. Alright, let's begin. First, open Roblox Studio on your computer. If you don't have it installed, go to create.roblox.com and click on Create Experience. A pop-up will appear. Go ahead and download Roblox Studio. Once it's open, you can either load an existing project or start a new one. To publish your game, click on File in the top left, then select Save to Roblox A's. Click on Create New Game. Give your game a name and description, then click Save. After that, go back to File and select Publish to Roblox. Once it's published, click on Game Settings, then select Permissions on the left. Set the game to Public and click Save. Now, open the Roblox website, click your profile at the top, and go to Creations. Use the arrows to find your game, click it, and you'll be able to play or invite friends. So that's basically how you can publish a Roblox game. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks!